Should we just go live? I don't see why not. Oh, I can hear myself. Is it echoing for you, or can I just hear myself? Because I don't want to hear myself. Bad Cop, do you think you had something to do with the title? I think I had something to do with the title. When it says Discord server, edit server profile. Streamer mode enabled? What is... I don't stream on my server. User profile. Well, I don't know. Can you change a server name? Edit server profile. I just want to change server settings. Soy Pete Tech. Right? I was disagreeing with you in TJ's chat? What did I disagree with you on? I have lots of opinions, so I'm sure I disagreed with you. I just don't know on what. Need to update my picture. The one I've been using everywhere because I got new logos. Apply. Oh, inactive. Display. I don't know. Save changes. Oh, it won't do that because streamer mode's enabled. Then I don't know what my Discord is. Oh! Oh, that C is a superset of Seago? No, the only reason I said that Seago is not Go is because that's an idiom, not because I was disagreeing with you. C is kind of a superset of Seago, so... So, I changed my... There it is. Nightbot does work. This is my Discord. Okay, so this post... that post things. I don't even know if these elements are working. Thank you, Rugmat. Ah! Is this chat? But I don't even use it, so I know that it posts the thing. Oh yeah, look. It does think that that's my username. So I don't know how to change that. Connect with Twitch, I don't know. I'm doing all of this to see if I can connect it as Soy Pete Tech. So now, when you post that I'm streaming, oh, I don't want that, because I'm not doing that anymore. Chat stats, profile page, banned word settings. No, it would be in streaming tools, right? No. I don't know where it decides to post things. Maybe next time it posts it'll change to the right one. So hi guys. How are you? Today, add flag for CSV mode. Oh, these are issues. So, I got stuck at some point on the other day. When was the other day? These are fun songs. Rugmat joined my Discord server. What? I have had a really good day so far. Have you guys had a great day? Click to restart and update ARC. I hope everyone's had a fantastic day. No, don't want them on the same thing. Code, Go Projects, Meetup Scraper, and Metabase. You did, it's Friday. That it is. I was almost late. I was pairing on some GCP work issues, and then I was getting to the point where I just wanted to check out of work, so I ended this here. with Go Releaser not working, and the reason Go Releaser is not working is because CGo is not Go. Which is why I posted that in Teja's chat. I think I'm still lurking in Teja's stream. Yes. I am definitely lurking in his stream. Let me just... That's not... Anyway. So, I have to figure out a way... Today. We're gonna figure out a way to get this to compile. I don't know... This is using... golang cross. Which is a great example over here to build things. But the truth is, okay. Let me just brainstorm. And we're gonna brainstorm in Excalidraw. I saw, why the heck does Excalidraw, what the heck was Excalidraw trying to do? I don't want any of that. Excalidraw, yeah, this one. Okay. I don't want that, I want this one. So this is my plan for how to do it, right? Oh, and I think I've saved this somewhere in the repo. So this is what we're building. Problem is, I have to figure out how to deploy this. So there's two options. The simple option would be completely agnostic to Metabase. And that would be taking, look at that, I want to do this color. Let's add some text. So this would be our, I guess, let's not start with that. Let's say start with the text. We got two options. We got deploy options. And I ran into the same wall with both of them, so we have to solve it either way. So deploy option one. Deploy option one is build a Docker container. And then they would just run the Docker container. They would mount their duckDB to the Docker container, which is all great. You would, we would then basically have the Docker container live in GitHub, so you, and then if they needed to deploy, and then you would mount the duckDB file to container. The option two is have just a static Go binary. Oh my gosh, I am so tired. I have had, look! Nightbot's working! Nightbot has not been working forever. I don't know why. Okay, so we have a static Go binary. This would live also in GitHub under releases. And then you wouldn't mount the file, so this would just access the local file. We have an ad starting in 3 minutes. If you don't want the ad, the best way to do it is, I guess, ads. You get away with ads from Turbo and from subscribing, so. Well, the other thing I needed to check is, I need to I'm giving, Monday is my birthday. Ooh. Oh, I got a Discord notification. I don't even know how Discord works half the time. Oh, Todd said hi. Thanks, Todd, for always being there for my Discord, because I don't... Firefox Developer Edition? Okay, so the name used to be SoyPete01, and now it's SoyPete Tech. And clearly, somewhere in somebody's database, they never updated it. And that's sad. I don't know how to do that. And I don't want to create a new channel, because then I lose all of the momentum, right? Anyway, Monday's my birthday. I'm also teaching an O'Reilly course on Monday. Same issue? So, anyway. Oh! Maybe I just never updated that in my settings. You're right, Rugmat. Settings. Stream. Channel. Mo. But where are the goals? They've... Where's manage goals? Oh, there it is. In alerts. Edit. Alerts. No, that's the wrong one. I don't know where you'd even change that. Cause I was just... It's not in alerts. So I don't know. I remember setting it up once, and I definitely put that in there at some point. Like the channel trailer says SoyPete01's trailer. Set as channel trailer. Now it should be changed. I guess there's just stuff, because I kind of never really fixed things when I came back to streaming. Edit stream info, yeah. Oh, that one! I didn't even look at that one. Fixed it. In the edit stream info, duh. I just didn't even care to update that. Didn't even pay attention. So, yeah. So, the problem with both of these things that were right here is I can't do it. There's a Seago issue on both of them. Did I remove the Docker file? I did, so let's go back to the right branch too. I think I'm on the wrong branch. This is what happens when you have 1Password manager SSH keys. Oh, I don't want to add either of those. That, my bad. Oh, sorry. I didn't want to do that. I want to Metabase. I got a giant dog laying on my feet, and that's the best thing ever. Now this can just be a branch on my repo. That's fine. So now, it's called Go Releaser, right? Oh, it's called Release Go Binary. Okay, so do we have a Docker file here? No, I killed the Docker file. So, yeah. If we go over here to Actions, we go to this, the fail. Oh, this is my tag issue. The other thing is I have tagging issues when I do it this way. And it works locally because I have the C file locally. It doesn't work on the pipeline. This one did, by the way. This one should have worked because of the tag. So this is the error. The error is that there's a file that's not there because of the Seago build. So we were using this to build it. So this is a Docker image, essentially, that we can build in. So in theory, I should be able to develop this by just taking the Docker image itself and running it. Even though, so if I can just pull the Docker image, and here's the example. It might be easier. I'm just saying it might be easier. It might be easier to, what's the makefile doing? Is it using this makefile in the thing? That's one thing I never checked to see if this makefile was different than mine. But basically, oh, they are using make. And what are they doing in the make file? So in dry run, and then in release they do this. Should I add the make file? Would that make a difference? Oh, am I supposed to... tweet? Was I supposed to say that I was live on Twitter? Or did that happen like it was supposed to happen? Oh, it happened like it was supposed to happen. Good job, Twitter. I don't know. How about on LinkedIn? So, yeah, now we're back. Trying to get this to work. Let's... Would it be weird of me to, like... straight up copy a bunch of this stuff over and try it again? I think we need sysroot, so yeah. I think I might just do that. Let's start. I have a releaser step. Hi, Lulu. How you doing, babe? You're getting really on top of me. So GitHub workflows. I have a release.yaml. I don't need that for... So they have a couple things that I don't have. That's not what I wanted. Oh my gosh, my headphones are crackling. And like, you saw how far down that was turned. Like, it's at one thing and it's too loud. Oh. I think I just ended up doing my own. What the heck? Okay, so... I don't know what the difference between this tags and that tags is. Also, they don't have any permissions on their content, so somebody lied to me. Checkout v2 with submodules true. Fetch, prune, and shallow. That goes here. I have a Go version. Okay, that's fine. Then they have a release dry run. And then they have a make release. So, wait. They're not using the go releaser action. That's the difference. Is they're not using the go releaser action. And to be fair, maybe the action I was let's get it to work first, and then I can use the go releaser action. This must be really, well, I don't know if it's because the example's old or because it's Seago, because Seago is its own special ball of wax. So I don't need that token. So I think I shouldn't have deleted what I just deleted. No, I'm not making a new branch yet. This. Oh, I just want to see the file. I want to see the full file so I can do this. Let's go back to there. And that's on ends. That's the difference. So when it's ends, an environment thing, it's in the name. Okay. That's right. So this is there. So, well, my stuff. Okay, so now I can, oh, I had it. I didn't need to go to the other one because I already had it. Okay, so now that matches. Ish. I'm not on the right thing, am I? Okay, so I'm going back to their example right here, where they have their release. And the other thing that they have that I don't have, they have get modules. And then the make file. Right? So what, golang cross version. So if we go back to golang cross, oh, this wasn't golang cross. Go releaser, go releaser, go releaser cross. Does this one have a version? So 121.5. Okay. So get add, get commit, add make file and update action. Get tag. It's git push, not force, but follow tags. That should do a tag as well. So now if I go into actions on my repo, I should have something there, right? No, why didn't that push? I have a 10. Oh, because this is new. What's wrong? Invalid YAML. On line 17. I do have invalid YAML. Oh wait, that won't do anything. If you do command-A, it does. Get pushed as far as. Okay, I think I have to make a new tag now. Oh, like I did on mine. Okay, well that worked, but this didn't run. I must use the uses or the run key? I knew there was something up with this. With the indentation, where's my go cross example? So here, got a lot of people joining in and leaving. That's no fun. Is it because the music's annoying? How's that? I have basically no music unless I stop talking, which is kind of... Oh, this env right here doesn't have anything anymore. That's why. I don't know how to do that. That work stuff. I have work Slack open right here, off to the side where you can't see. And I've been dealing with IAM policies on Google Cloud all week. And I do not understand Google Cloud at all. Did I at least get an error here? Did it run? It ran for 10 seconds. Why did it run? Git fetch. Oh, it ran that up there. It doesn't make sense to run it again. I also need to pull out this setup go, which I'm doing twice. There we go. Right? Anyway, I've been doing IAM permissions all week for Google, and I don't understand them. They seem very circular, and they just don't make sense, and I can't wrap my head around them, like, at all, to be fair. It just... Oh, it's still running. We did get this far last time. It was here where we failed. So... let's see if we can get all the way. Because if we get all the way by some dark voodoo magic, we're gonna have to figure out this code. Because this is dark voodoo magic. This is FIFA inspired music. Believe it or not. Because we love FIFA. Something's happening. It pulled the Docker container. That's what it's doing. I know that's what it's doing. So, maybe the Go releaser and GitHub Action doesn't work with this container. Maybe that's what it was. It's still running. We haven't even, like, this is as far as I've ever gotten. So, there we go. What the heck is an invalid array length? This is a new error. Invalid array length. Untyped int constant. What? What is this? Oh, that's not how you copy. So let's check this out. Rows.go, line 280. I know everything was in main. 282. Oh my goodness. This is interesting. So what is this saying? We've got a vector, duckDB type vector of a row index. And we're saying do it on type any. Oh, okay. We're just using simple generics. Just simple generics right here. I've never seen this syntax before. So we're casting this to a pointer? Set get? I don't know this syntax. I've never seen this syntax before. That means we gotta ask. We should ask ChatGPT. Yeah, if we've never seen it before. Yeah, I got the generic type T, which is any type. Retrieves a data pointer from DB vector. That's an assumption. This is converts the data pointer to a slice. Oh, it's converting this to a slice of any type where the length of slice is set to that, which shifts left by 31, essentially creating a slice of length 2 to the 31. I think that's too big for int. Oh, it's... How many bytes are in an int? But it's a slice. Okay, stop. Go back, ChatGPT. Silly ChatGPT. It's creating a slice of that length on a type, but it's a pointer to that slice, right? Yeah. Okay, so what was my error? Yes. So this is an invalid array length. Interesting. What does Stack Overflow have to say? Oh, this is the exact error, and it happened in... Oh. Okay, this doesn't help anybody. The issue isn't that the number's invalid. It's that it doesn't like to compile that. This is a compiler error, right? But I really like that, this is obviously syntax people have used before, and it doesn't, the compiler, whatever compiler this is, doesn't like it. So oh, I see. So it just gives you a length of bytes. That's a weird... So this is the bitwise operator? Is that what that is? I've never done that. Because I've never had to. Like, this is bitwise and Go. Shift right and shift left. Oh, okay. So this is essentially saying make an array of any type. They're calling it a slice. But it's an array of any type with... And they're shifting it to the left 31. So it wants it to have exactly 31 length. So it's casting this vector of data, which... to that array, making it a pointer to that, and it's assigning the ID to the value. Okay, yeah, that's normal for vectors. Okay. Do you know Free Code Camp has a podcast in Spanish? I didn't know that there was a Free Code Camp podcast. I've been live for an hour doing nothing. Oh my goodness, we're not going to get anything done today. Okay, so good to know that this Confluent Kafka Go does the same thing, and it makes sense. It's a data problem. And my issue is that Linux ARM 7, which is the Raspberry Pi, doesn't build that. So the question is, hey, I have a compiler friend. Let me push this on Forge Slack. Go compiler question. And with this one, they were also compiling, if I remember correctly, not you, to ARM. It was Arch Linux, but it was still ARM, which is my issue, right? Getting the error. This error. On this Kafka library. I found a GitHub issue with the same error. And the user was trying to compile to the same should this be... Is this a compiler error or a library error? Because I don't know where else to go. Right? Don't know where else to go from here. Compiler error or not? Okay, well, let's check out that make file. And that make file must have been specifying where do we specify golang cross version? Yeah, that was... Remember when they were using 19? Do you think that that golang cross version correlates to Go at all? They only have this Go version. Does it say anywhere what Go version it supports? The image tag version follows Golang releases. Okay. So it does follow the Go releases, good. I'm tired. Do I look tired? I feel tired. Hey. How you doing, the Savage Coder? Yes, we've been dealing with Seago. I haven't been writing it, I've just been surviving it. So. Yes, I'm using the duckDB Go library. The duckDB Go library uses C wrappings to actually execute all of the SQL calls in duckDB, which is kind of funny. How do I make the sysroot resync? Sysroots are located in a separate repo and added to a submodule in the current repo. I did that. Oh yeah. So this is just gonna do all of my sysroot stuff. So go releaser, go cross example, sysroot. Go releaser example supply chain. Go pro mono repo example. Who uses mono repos? Go releaser action. We tried that and it didn't work. Go releaser cross. We're using that. Go releaser cross example. Yeah. Go releaser example. Example simple. Go releaser example Zig Seago. We all know that Zig likes Seago more than anybody else. But as soon as the Go team heard that Zig was doing a better job at compiling Seago than they were, they fixed the Go compiler, so. Oh, I've actually used this dev tutorial before. A mono repo for micro front ends? I'm sorry. That sounds horrible. The question is, I don't think Zig would actually fix my example. I don't have an AMD 40 Mac OS. I haven't. So it only has the 2 Linux. I guess if you don't have to deal with it. Well, okay, I guess sysroot's its own thing. For major platforms with Zig and Go Releaser. I just want it to work on my Raspberry Pi. And that's what this did. Even though it broke. notice it was doing ARM64 Darwin. That's what I wanted, so it was working just fine. So this is my computer, and this is my Raspberry Pi, and that's all I care about. But it failed because the compiler doesn't like to compile that. So the question is, would it magically work if we tried to do it in parallel in Zig? What? That. Oh! Rug mat redeemed stretch! Oh, I'm sorry. Is that to help me not fall asleep? Let's, oh, come on. We'll just stand up. That's a good stretch, right? So. Oh, my camera doesn't like it when I stand up. But oh well, now I'm stretching. And still yawning. My goodness. Oh, look how it's running on macOS latest. Why is it running on macOS latest? I don't know. Also, what is GitHub output? Okay. .github workflows. We'll call this Zig release. No, we're not gonna run only on tags, cause oh, that is what this is doing. Okay, when you do this, it runs no matter what, so that's what we want. We want this. Well, I want v4, and I can just do a v-split, actually. GitHub workflows release. There we go. Why is it running on macOS latest? Because that doesn't make any sense. Go version should be 4. Oh, I bet it's because I got rid of the fetch depth, and that's why it cached true. Go to stop bus setup Zig. Set up output. macOS SDK. Do they have more than just the macOS SDK? Cause yeah, I don't want that. Oh yeah, I set up what I want here. I knew that. I forgot how Go Releaser works. Oh, I can just do Go version file Go mod? That's so much easier. Why does it have a... See, this is the part I don't understand. Yeah, that'll be really good for this step right here. The setup output, I don't understand. Oh, they're just using the go releaser action? Then I can kill this. We know how to use the go releaser action. Because we've used it before! We used it last week and then killed it, right? So... we just need to run that. We don't need... we can just do that. Cool. This is what they already had, right? Okay. Undo... what the heck? Get status. What did I do to the make file? Oh, I updated that. Yeah, I did want to update that. I just... okay. Where... oh my goodness. Get... add. That's a gut add. I don't want to add to anybody's gut. I don't know what a gut add would be. Would that be adding weight? Would a gut add be adding weight? Or would a gut add be like punching somebody in the gut? Like, I forgot to do my finger exercises again. I can do them while we wait for this to run. Let's go to our actions and see what happens. What? That didn't push? Now to push. Uh-oh. Does it not have a unique name? Oh yeah, we have go releaser, go, and release. So that should be fine. Oh, look, it figured. Where's release? Where's my Zig one? No! This will still break. Uh-oh. Yeah, I have a Zig release YAML. I bet I need to do another tag. I bet that's it. So we have an ad starting in 3 minutes. That's an ad for all of you who are not turbo or subscribed. I'm sorry. I never changed the defaults, one, because I just never really changed my configs when I started streaming again this year. Also, meh. It's supposed to be optimized for rev share. My brother-in-law just told me to play music from this anime, Martial Magic and Muscles. It has been all over the social medias. And I can't. I don't know if I can. Because, the reason I don't know if I can is I don't know if there's a copyright issue. Oh, what is the git push? Git push follow tags. Flights to Utah. Cool. What does lurk do? I've never used lurk. Somebody want to explain what lurk does? Because I would really appreciate that. I just don't I feel, I understand a lot of how Twitch works, but not everything about how Twitch works, just because I'm not a gamer. And so I fail. There we go. Now can I follow tags? Cool. NVM. Let's do... Stop it. Wait. Oh. While we're here... Where is... Lurk. Okay, lurk. It's just letting you know when someone is on the stream, but they're not necessarily participating in chat. Lurk. Oh. Kara said, leaving the stream open. Oh, so does the command actually do anything? The command doesn't do anything? Gotcha. It's just like, hey, what's up? Well, I appreciate that then, because I do that all the time. Okay, so I need to do that. I was just... Ad time! Sorry if you're watching the ads. ZSH, oh my. I just need to make sure I get the right Vim plugin. What does Argo CD do? Oh, I don't use the Argo CD CLI. Just let somebody tell me where to go. What does brew do? Alias for brew commands? Oh. I don't know if I want to learn alias for brew commands. Oh, I don't want GitHub either. PyLint, PyEnv, Python. Oh, I do Python at work. If I do that, I'll never know how to run anything again. So I'm adding Python. There we go. Vim interaction. What's the difference between Vim interaction and VI mode? So Vim interaction presents a function called Vim call for the following usage. V shorthand for call Vim. Oh, I don't want that. What does VI mode do? Oh, set cursors equal true. So this is what I want to add. Yeah, but I use NeoVim. I definitely want to add this. And then I need to add this. Okay. VI mode. And then this one. And this one. Let's start with those and then see what happens. Okay. Back to what we were actually running. What? Drive run, go release. Same error. Did, we actually get an action for our... No. Why isn't my Zig runner working? Name Zig release. Okay. Let's do vsplit and make sure it looks like the other name. Good. So go releaser is on pull requests. And I want it on pull requests until we're... That's probably the difference. I want it on pull requests until we're done. Need to write releases. You probably need those permissions too. But it doesn't mean anything. Setup go. Good. Okay, and we're using the go releaser action, which is what I wanted to use anyway. I don't want that. I want that. Zig release. But that still didn't do it. There it is. Woo! Now what's wrong? Workflow cannot be shown because I did it again. Uses name, uses with. What's wrong? It says it just has to have a name or a uses, and it has a name. Oh, I think the name indentation's off. Yeah. When you have a name, you don't need the uses thing anymore. So then we're gonna have a name set up Zig. And then we'll have another name right here. Oh. Oh gosh. Not really. I'm kind of ready to be done for today. You know, work messages. Gotta take care of that. Setup go. Didn't that what I wrote? Setup go? I did. Setup Zig, setup go, name, release. Oh, thank you. Thank you for the help. It's just sometimes... Yeah, I'm out on Monday. I am not working on Monday because it's my birthday. And we all know that if you don't take care of yourself, nobody else is going to. I also happen to schedule an O'Reilly course for that day that I will be giving. Did I not push this? I do. So, I will be teaching people about Go memory on my birthday and not working. Because Go is so much better than Python. No, it's still broken. Wait. Zoom? Not Zoom. Workflow is not a value. Line 18, column 14. Unexpected value. Line 18, column 14? What? Oh, that's because I don't have anything in the width. I do need to get more water. Google just said, hey, go get more water and a snack. And I am out of water. But as soon as I step away, everybody's gonna leave. And I don't want the party to die. We're having a freaking party. So why would we don't want the party to die. We use Python. So I wish we could migrate to Go. We use Python. I don't actually do that much Python. But since I'm on the data infrastructure team, we tend towards Python. I've been literally writing YAML for 5 days, trying to figure out how to deploy... What the heck is this? Oh, that is to charge my iPad. Trying to get our GCC, our GCP, our... See, look at me doing that stuff. I've been writing YAML for days, trying to get stuff deployed to GCP, and that's why I've been messing with IAM permissions so much in YAML. Not Terraform YAML. Sometimes I think Terraform would be more straightforward, but not my call. I'm just along for the ride. Oh, look, it's taking a long time to set up Zig. How are our other actions doing? They failed yet? Go release has not failed yet. Come on, Go releaser. We know that you can't compile this. Yeah, we know you can't compile this. We knew it was gonna fail right here. 'Cause it would. Zig is still trying to build. We're using config connector, which is Google's Kubernetes wrapper, essentially. Oh. And Git doesn't contain any tags. Either add a tag or use a snapshot? What? Does that mean I haven't added any tags since this started working? Is that another one of those, like, depth things? Is that why we're doing unshallow on our git fetch? Oh, we also need to add we don't need to add the submodules. Oh, I need to do snapshot in the release command in the args? Oh. Right here. Do you use Go Releaser much, Savage Coder? Because I've never used Go Releaser before. Which is, you know, only part of my problem. The other part of the problem is not understanding different compiler things, like why ARM stuff is different than other things. And why this error happens in that situation. And I don't want to debug that. So I'm just trying to set up Zig and see if I get any more luck. Oh no, Zig failed. Oh, this is the old error. Oh, Boston uses Go Releaser? He would. Boston would use Go Releaser. 'Cause, that just seems like him. Like, I guess it'd be really easy to deploy some of the things he deploys as well. So yeah, Go Releaser. Interesting. Well, now I'm back at... This was the problem we were having with Go Releaser last time. Yeah, for any of your client stuff, that sounds like a great tool. That was what I was thinking, why Boston would use it. It'd be really easy to push some of your client stuff. So this is where I got stuck last week. This exact same error. As opposed to this error, which is very different. Let's go back to the Zig one and step through it for a minute. So I understand what's happening. Pipe skipped. Disabled during snapshot mode. Oh, I see. Well, we can kill that in a minute. Go releaser.yaml. Go get go mod tidy. Yeah, go get gets this, which does have this, by the way, in that version. Building the binaries. Go releaser failed. I don't need you open anymore. Not this downloader. Where did go releaser action get to? Hey babe. So 5.0 is the latest one. How are you, Lulu? Install only, I'm not doing that. Not uploading artifacts. Just doing the regular one. So, yeah, I don't know. What do you think, Lulu? Lulu's my Bernedoodle. She doesn't know either. Okay, well, I mean... a little bit of me is wondering... if this would happen if I ran it on my Raspberry Pi. Did we try that last week? That's the wrong one. Yep, that's me. So, git checkout. And I want to check out this branch even though I'm just going to be building whatever. Let's do a git fetch first. And then we do just a go build. Let's do a go mod tidy first, since that's actually the step we're running. We do a go git. And now we do a go build. I know it runs. I can do go run main.go and it runs just fine. So running's not the issue. It does build here. The issue is, of course, like most other things, building this on the other image. Because it uses Seago. Should we try it again with Docker and do a Docker X build? I'm a little curious. Maybe Docker X build will work. I'm also a little sad that I deleted the Docker file. Because it's not like it needs to be that hard. Actually, I think I still have one over here. No, I don't have a Docker file on this. Oh yeah, because Mariah decided to just freaking not keep her history clean. Can you just do latest? That's not right. Oh, it did work. So, I will get something to work. Oh, it didn't do. It needs to be the Alpine. I can just say Alpine. That should do it. Okay, so this is the see? The one that we had last time. So it doesn't like to run that. So go mod. We're gonna be starting an ad break in 3 minutes. When we start that ad break, go get, and then go mod tidy. When we do that, I don't need to expose anything right now. I'm gonna actually step away and get some water and take my dogs out. So when I'm not back, obviously go get didn't work. So when that starts, oh wait, 5 seconds, because we only have a 5-second delay today. Have a good time, chat. Chat, are you having a good time, chat? Ooh. You're having a bad time? I'm sorry. Oh, it's just messages you can add. Okay, we can add that. Am I what's giving you a bad time, Rugmat? Because I am also not having a good time with the fact that this just doesn't want to have a defined con. Oh, good. It's not my fault then? That's good. I didn't want it to be my fault. Oh, good. Not my fault. Everybody's having a great time. We got weird video game. This is supposed to be FIFA music. This is not FIFA music. Oh, it would be better if work was done. I'll tell you that. But I have dedicated my mind to this. Like, I almost wonder if we should vendor it. Hey, Lulu, just a minute. Let's put that in. Let's do a poll while we're on our break. Should duckDB go? So, rug mat, that is the default text size. Just so you know. Nobody has voted in my poll, that's so sad. Oh, you did? Why doesn't it say you voted then? It says that 0% have voted. Maybe it doesn't show me the... I thought it showed me the results as they acted. Okay, there's 2 people have voted. I had to vote first. That's weird that me as the poll creator had to vote. I don't care about... I know, it should let me see who's voted without having to vote. I think that's ridiculous. Okay, I'm gonna... So I ran GoMod vendor. Now, let's look in vendor. GitHub. duckDB, right? And if I go to rows... No, I just want to cat this so that we can find the connection in rows. Where is it? I probably shouldn't have done that. It's like right at the top. Oh, sorry. Connection is referenced in rows. It's not called in rows. It's called in connection. Right there in all of them. So right there, there's con in packet duckDB. Okay, that's also in package duckDB. Well, I mean, I just want to see who's participated. So I'm gonna go to my Docker file now, and let's just not worry about that. I want to do run, nope. Echo, that's just ls vendor. No directory vendor. It should. After, oh, it's only copied the Go mod at that point. That was another change we made to the Docker file, was I didn't actually do this. I've just like, Now this is in a different one. This is in transaction. Which again is weird because it's in the same package. I forget why I used -O. See? So what does -O do? Like, does Google not have any docs on what the freaking build flags are? Output. Why does -V... No. Oh, I have to do vendor? I'm not gonna do a -O. Because clearly it didn't make any sense. So it said, where does the... So this is a flag. So go build -V -O, but I just want this to be mod is vendor. I think that's it, right? Oh wait, where did the poll go? See, now the poll disappeared. I should have the see poll results right at the top. Okay, so now I have the view poll results. And it's just me and you, Matt. Sorry. Undefined con and transactions. Even with that? duckDB's not found? It's because it's not duckDB, it's duckDB. What? Is this because I don't have... What is a vendor? It's a good question. I think it's because I need to enable... What was that flag? The garbage collector flag? Not the garbage collector. The Seago enabled. There it is. Okay. So let's try this in Docker. I think it's in Seago 1. Oh, that's way different. Oh, there we go. This is 100%. So let's go back up here and we need to do a run. Go mod download. Run, go mod tidy. And now I just need to add stuff to my apt-get. Yeah. I don't think I need to add make. It did say GCC, so that should... I'm not saying that this will magically fix anything. We're just testing. Because the Seago enabled clearly does something completely different than what I was doing before. Also go, well, that's because it caches, right? After every step. Oh, I shouldn't be doing vendor. No. Stop that. Kill the vendor. We'll go back to -v. Okay, now it'll cache everything and rerun. Go build, pull all this stuff down. The reason those things don't build... Oh, and I bet that's why Zig was failing too! Where was our Zig build? I sent that here, right? That's how that works. Does anybody know if this is how you set things up like that? Oh. Only 2 file changes, that's much better. So much better. So, sorry. Let's, what was that error again? That was I haven't seen this error before. This is the first time. I also really like that it actually had the duckDB one in here. Doing finger exercises again. Right there, did you see the duck? Oh my goodness. What is this? Running GCC failed? It's another finger exercise. I grip it right here. Okay, I have an interesting question. is this, okay. Local Linux ARM64, blah blah blah. Running GCC failed. Status, exit status 1. Unsigned long. Is it? Oh wait. It has my, so this, okay. I'm just making sure. That it duckDB parsers standard duckDB main cappy C++. Now the question is this because duckDB, the driver? I mean, it doesn't need a driver. I need this to work, guys. In the duckDB, go. How many C++ files are there? Oh, look. Darwin, ARM64. Is this gonna give us any secrets on? No, that's just linking it, which we're not doing. Wait. Statically links duckDB into your binary. Statically linking duckDB adds. Oh, I have to have a copy of libduckdb on the system. I think that's it. So let's see if we can install this. That's not helpful. Obviously, there's a bunch of releases. But I'm using it in a Docker container. Other installations that aren't MaxOS. So yeah, but don't I need to like, I just need to curl it though, right? And then unzip it. Curl and unzip onto, what am I building on? An Arch. Well, it's gonna be a Linux ARM because that's what I'm running on here. Well, okay, so Linux ARM, copy. Let's see if I didn't that add. How do you curl a zip file? Should we ask ChatGPT? -O. Or -L. That's just the duckDB CLI. Okay. That is what I want it to do. Oh, how do I save it to a file? Oh, I just do that. I forgot how to unzip on Mac. No, like in the CLI. Don't want to drag and drop the file. My goodness. Okay, that did work. Ad break is starting in 3 minutes. So let's actually... So what was... I'm just gonna keep that binary right here for a minute. And in here he said... Tags, duckDB, use lib. Unzip, yeah, is a command. I found it. Thank you, Matt Rug Matt. And so here, we're just gonna call this duckDB. No, wait, what do you... Sorry. He called this library path. Equals, and it's just duckDB. Because I just downloaded it. And so in theory, since I have it just right here, it should also work. So all we gotta do is figure out how to get the duckDB library into a Docker container. Rug Matt. No official Docker image. That's what that means. Matt Rug is Rug Matt's alter ego. That's fine. Okay, so this didn't work. At least in the copy it didn't use that. Let's Oh, I'm just hanging out. Hope you're hanging out too. Oh, ads are starting. Mugrat. Oh, that's funny. That is funny. It's like Rugrats. Oh, there is a duckDB. Okay, so duckDB is there. Let me try. Where was the local one? Let's figure out what that command should be. I also have this installed locally. So it wasn't called LD on macOS. It was called something else. DYLD. But something I noticed. This isn't gonna work. It said something about like an SO or a DY lib, which I don't have. But if I go to releases, that's the Linux one, so that's not gonna work. Let's pull down, not the Linux, but the OS X Universal? Can I copy and drop this in the terminal like it literally just said? No. But I can copy. So now I should have two. So I don't know. What do you mean expected input null? Oh. Oh my goodness. I have to build it from source? Oh no, this is the tags in Go build. I'm dumb. Oh my goodness, Dmitry Maximov DevSex? Thank you for, did you subscribe or follow? It says subscriber, but it also says follower. So whatever you did, thank you. We appreciate that. Glad to have you here. Oh, I actually have build flags on this, huh? Do I have a main.go and a main.go? Oh, it liked that. What if I do... Okay, this worked. Let's see if the Docker build works. I don't have a lot of hope. Because this compiled locally, so... Like, it runs when I do go run main.go. It's always run that way. So I wasn't too worried. Oh, it has the output tag in the wrong place. Silly Mariah. Stop. Nvim. Oops. There we go. That should build. It was in the wrong place. What can you say? Elgato's releasing new capture cards. I don't care about your capture cards. I want their teleprompter. I want the Elgato teleprompter. That's all I want. That way I can have chat right there and always know what's going on. And not have to spend $500 on a teleprompter. So, that's it. This is the same error. Why does it not work? Did we ever check on our Zig build after we added the thing? Where did the Mariah one go? We've got a lot of tabs open. Lulu. What's wrong, babe? Oh. Should we try seeing what... This is a different error. It's like I'm debugging 5 paths at once. Hey. I can do this, right? And then it becomes like an actual script, right? Hi, Lulu. Just remind me how to... Okay. That's what I wanted. Thank you. I don't need this. And... Okay. Git commit. Oh, I don't want to commit all those. I want to commit not very many of those. duckDB and duckDB OSX. Oh, and the zip. But I can honestly just remove that zip file. duckDB zip. Oh, and we can remove main. Right, we can remove all that stuff. How you doing, chat? You still bored? You have any suggestions for how to build C++? Because we're having a party. Oh, look. Oh, it fails because we're building on a 32-bit ARM instead of a 64-bit ARM. That means I need to change my thing. That means it may not run on my Raspberry Pi. What did we add? Does anybody remember what we... No clue. Come on, chat. Pre-roll's off for 25 minutes. That means you can join without pre-roll ads. Isn't that fun? You're already here, so sorry, you had to watch the pre-roll ads. Git commit. Oh, we were adding the GCC stuff. So there's a problem with my Go releaser. And it is this. The sysroot flags. So if we go back to sysroot, which... So that's why it wouldn't build, because it was building for a 32-bit, not a 64. Good things to know. Shush. Lulu? And that could be my fault. So, let's go. Thank you, Lulu. She usually barks when she needs to go to the bathroom. But where did my... Go releasers. Oh, I have all this stuff down here. That's why. Well, I can get rid of you and you. Go cross example. So this right here. I don't know what goarm 7 is. So we're gonna get rid of this. And let's go... Didn't we have sysroot somewhere? In the repos, and I think if we can find the sysroot... Not down there. Where was sysroot? There it is. So there were 3 in here. There's Linux. I think I should just do AMD 64 instead of ARM HF. Well, I got rid of the 7. So maybe it'll fix it. We're just seeing what builds first. That's the game we're playing right now. Permission denied? Oh, well duh, because this isn't a command. Gotta actually run commands. It's because I'm literally doing 3 things at once. Show me. Okay, so it's pulled the Docker image. It hasn't failed yet. This is a good sign. Oh, it failed. Back to the invalid array length. Oh, now it's doing ARM6? What is... That's... I don't understand what Linux ARM6 is. Oh, it's ARM v6. What's ARM7? See, but I have a Raspberry Pi 4. It's 60... So this must just be a really old example. What is go arm? So it will be arm 7. But I did put, where's my thing? Oh. What if I did that? Arm 64. That should force it, right? We want it to build to 64. It won't build on 32 bits. This whole thing will not build on 32 bits. Not posible. No es posible. So we gotta do it. Mariah can't spell apt-get, apparently. Spell? Because I can't spell. We may actually be making headway on Go Releaser. Because if Go Releaser works, then we can kill the Docker container. That's the whole thing. We just have to get something running. And I can spend till the end of time getting this running. Because why not? Stupid seagull. Oh, wait. That was a different error. What the heck is this? I don't understand this. Go GCC export header prologue. What is that? It's a Seago thing. we have those flags, right? We have right here Seago flags. Oh, Seago C flags and Seago LD flags. What? Okay. Oh. Ooh. So could the error actually be that the binary is just dumb? And I'll need to add my own thing to sysroot? Is that what that says? Add starting in 3 minutes. Right? That's what it's gotta be saying. Because we are now forcing it to ARM64. Right? Where was our go cursor sysroot? This is 4 years old. No wonder it didn't work. It's like, I didn't even check the last time this thing was even committed to. Was that years ago? Well, no wonder. How's my zig thing doing? The up. So where did we land on Go Releaser? Where we landed on Go Releaser is that this is too old. The ARMHF. And I would have to basically, instead of using the sysroot path, add my own package config path, whatever that is. And I don't know how to do that. Like, I would need to, yeah, replace this sysroot thing, which from a Raspberry Pi 4 using this script. Oh, the root sync one? Oh, look, they have some nice things in scripts. But this probably... Oh, this was updated last week. So this is maintained. But I don't think that the... Do we need sysroot? What if I killed that? I don't think sysroot... If it says verified, sysroot root is not needed. I'm not clearly not thinking through this at all. I am on the end of the weekend, like brain. 100%. This needs to be ARM 7. ARM 7, ARM 6. Right? So this is the arch. Is this like the regular arch or the Go arch? Yeah, 08. Oh, that's not gonna work either. Yeah.
It's a violent life. You could live to 100, you could die tonight. That's why we getting high.
Get ad.
That's why I let my man drive tonight.
Sorry, chat, I'm not even paying attention. But you're all lurking, right? At work?
That's why we getting high tonight. Yeah. That's why I let my man drive tonight. Yo. Hold up.
We've got a lot of things queued because I made a lot of pushes with like no progress. So, lurk at work! Especially if you work from home, then you definitely are like way more inclined to do that. They're making us go back to the office at my job, and I don't know, like, I'll watch Twitch when I'm at home, but I don't know. A Go Arch, that's not a valid Go Arch. It would feel weird if I had Twitch on at work. You know? What can you say? This is the latest Go releaser. Okay, pulling Docker image. Come on, build! Oh, good. It's getting somewhere. Not very far, but it's getting somewhere. Come on. That's the same error. Dang it. And we're using the right things. No, we're not using those anymore. So I got rid of them. So it said to use those. And so I'm just gonna go check this repo over here. My Go release examples. No, where'd the example go? Wait. So this is example. And this example, not right. Okay. So they just have the flags equals, and I have the flags equals. Cool. Oh, it's 5 o'clock. You wanna know how I know? Because I had a reminder on my phone that says get prescription at 5 o'clock. Which means we should wrap up. It really sucks that we didn't actually... Thank you, chat, for all your help, but I didn't get anywhere. There was no progress made today. Maybe... Maybe... Well, I mean, I did, like, go in, like, 5 circles. Work is done, time for you to leave? Well, thank you, Rugmat, for lurking while you're working. What do you mean? That's literally what it said to put. Oh. Was that the CF flags that didn't like that? But to be fair, this is a little bit different. So, going back to this example. I need to look at what this is. Cause maybe if I kill that art stuff, it'll make sense. So what are those flags? Oh, I see. So it's a full thing. So that's why on the example, they just did it straight across. So fix flags? Maybe. So they're just any kind of flags. Okay. For Seago directives, because Seago is his own thing. Seago is not go. And that's why we don't like it. Okay. Let's see who's on Twitch right now. While that builds. This kid's just been killing it. But, okay, let's go check our stuff. We're still running. We got a... My goodness. Oh no. I don't know. Maybe I've got so much crap to do. Maybe we'll take a break from this and do some of my other crap. I just... would really like this to work. Would really, really, really like this to work. Because if... I could get the releases to work. I now have a proof of concept for ephemeral data pipelines. That should, I just want that to happen so bad. So bad. And I'm just building this in Go because I have the API, so you know. Same error. Didn't recognize the flag. Well, that's really weird. Well, I'm not compiling on Darwin, that's for sure. Was this guy on Darwin? Okay, so it's not necessarily the same issue. Dang. Which flag did it say it wasn't? AMD 64? Well, that's the first one. And if I don't have the flags... Well, we aren't doing an AMD 64. Maybe that's why. I think this failed already. Go! It says be real time, guys. Are you being real? What do you mean? This is different because no, because it's still... I guess the other one is running in Ubuntu, right? Locally, I don't know what this is. Anybody know what that is? Oh, because of OSS. Yeah. Some people really build cool stuff. I don't build anything cool. I just go to work. I want to build cool stuff one day, though. Oh, look, somebody wrote a thing. Yeah, but that's the wrong one. Oh, yeah, that's the right one. This is cool. This is a year old instead of 4 years old. But how do you get the thing? Oh. Well... Who knows? There's also not enough information here. The Akash project? This is Node. I really appreciate the blog. There's not enough information for me. Because, yeah, I don't know how to get this. This is the first thing. So, what does it say? Provides well-working macOS cross-tool chain for Linux. Oh, I guess when I'm running it, well, we've already decided when I run it locally, I probably don't need that. Nobody decided this. Mariah thinks, oh, but I'm using this binary go cross. It doesn't give me this error on the... I was only running it locally to try and not take so long here. Did it not push? So there is no ARM64 command line option. So then what are the Seago flags? Seago, Go references for Seago, Seago references to Go, using Seago. Seago, CF flags, CPP flags, C and LD flag environment variables are added to the flags derived from these directives. What? Package-specific flags should be set using the directives, not environment variables. Okay. I guess I don't know how to use those. And I don't know how to use those. Also, this isn't helpful. Okay, well, I'm just gonna... This is my last commit. Because we're done. Like, we figured it out. We figured out that those don't help us. So this is my last commit. Go releaser will work. I just don't know anything else. But anyway, I'll be back next week. I'll do some research and we'll be ready to go.